Look at this disaster. This car didn't just get hit. It got folded like a pancake. Most shops would say scrap it, but not us. Today, our team is going to perform a miracle. Don't blink, because this transformation is about to get wild. First step, we strip it down. We're removing the trunk, the lights, and the bumper to see the true damage. Meet our assistant, Mr. Giamblo. He's faster at breaking down cars than he is at getting a girlfriend. Everything must go so we can reach the soul of this machine. Enter the legend, Mr. Yali, our level 9 Pakistan alumni mechanic. He's using the crocodile clamp. Its bite is deadlier than your ex's promises. While the track belt pulls the frame back to life, Mr. Yali taps the floor using a wooden block. Why would you keep the metal smooth and prevent it from losing its original shape? Pure precision. Time to turn up the heat. Mr. Giamblo is warming up the corner panel to make the metal flexible. Now, check out this teamwork. Mr. Yali on top, Mr. Giamblo underneath, in the mud. One holds the pressure, the other strikes the hammer. A level 9 Pakistani-Indonesian collaboration you won't see anywhere else. The owner demanded a brand new trunk. Mr. Yali is fitting it now. This is where the level 9 skills shine. The gaps must be symmetrical to the millimeter. One shut ... click. A perfect seal. Satisfying, isn't it? Meet Mr. Pelikov, our level 9 master filler from Prindon. His hands are like magic. He smooths out the metal until it's as flawless as a filter. No bumps, no pores, just pure art. Into the booth with Mr. Gentok. He's a pious man who loves his prayers and his spray gun. Watch his steady hand, every pass is a blessing. This cigarette is coming back to life with a shine that could blind you. The owner wanted that wet look, so we called Mr. Diab, our polishing specialist from Bangladesh. He's buffing away the past until the body reflects the future. It's now shinier than Mr. Giamblo's forehead. New rear glass isn't. We'll keep a tape on for now to let the seal cure properly. Safety first, style second. And there she is. From a total wreck to a showroom beauty. Not a single wave, perfectly aligned and glowing. Thanks for watching our journey today. Which part of this fix impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Drop a like and follow us for more insane restorations. See you in the next project.